Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Bloomsburg University ESS account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Bloomsburg University's ESS account, and ESS stands for Employee Self-Service. So if you want to log into your Employee Self-Service account of Bloomsburg University, then what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Bloomsburg University ESS login. So after searching for this option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on the first option, which is Employee Self-Service ESS, which is from Bloomsburg University. So after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this website, and from here what you can do is just scroll down, and here you'll come up to this section which is logging in. And after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this website, and from here what you can do is just scroll down and then tap on this option which is logging into ESS. After tapping on that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply enter your email address. After entering your account's email address, now what you can do is just simply enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot your password. After tapping on forgot your password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So just do that if you have forgotten your account's password, but if you haven't forgotten, then you can just but if you haven't forgotten your account's detail, then what you can do is just simply enter your email address and password, then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Bloomsburg University ESS account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.